Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 4. Also find the center of the circle. That is, we have to find the equation of the circle passing through 3 non-collinear points. Now we have the formula. Equation of the circle passing through 3 non-collinear points P of x1, y1, Q of x2, y2, R of x3, y3 is given by this formula. So now we solve the given problem. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 4. Also find the center of the circle. We have to find the equation of the circle passing through 3 non-collinear methods, non-collinear points. There are different methods. Now we are learning method 1 using the formula. So first we note down the given points let A of x1, y1 equal to 3, 4, B of x2, y2 equal to 3, 2 and C of x3, y3 equal to 1, 4. Now step 1. In step 1 we have to show that the given 3 points are non-collinear. So to show that we use this formula that x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. We expand this one. We note down the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 in this determinant. 3 into 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1. 4 into 1 minus of 4 into 3 into 1, 3 into 1 minus 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4 minus 1 into 2. Now 2 into 1 is 2, 4 into 1, 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 3 into 1, it is 3, 1 into 1, 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 into 2 is 8. So my negative sign is there before 8, so minus 8. 1 into 3 into 4. Minus 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 12, 1 into 2, 2, 12 minus 2 is 10, 10 into 1, 10, 10 into 1 is 10, so positive sign is there before this one, so plus 10, minus 6 plus minus 8 is minus 14, plus 10, so we get minus 4, that is the determinant value is not equal to 0, hence the given points are non-collinear points. Now step 2. Step 2, to find C1, C2 and C3 values. We have the formula C1 equal to minus of x1 square plus y1 square, C2 equal to minus of x2 square plus y2 square, C3 equal to minus of x3 square plus y3 square. So x1 square 3 square plus y1 square 4 square, that is 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 9 plus 16 25. So minus sign is before 25, minus 25. We got C1 equal to minus 25 and C2 equal to minus of x2 square plus y2 square. x2 square 3 square plus y2 square 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 4, 13. So minus 13. C2 is minus 13. C3 equal to minus of x3 square plus y3 square. x3 square 1 square plus y3 square 4 square. 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16, 1 plus 16 is 17. So minus 17. C3 is minus 17. In step 3 we find this det value. In step 3 we find this det value. Det C1, C2, C3, Y1, Y2, Y3, 1, 1, 1. C1 is 20, minus 25, C2 is minus 13, C3 is minus 17, Y1 minus 4, Y2 2, Y3 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we expand this determinant minus 25 multiplied by 2 into 1, 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1, 4 into 1 minus 4 multiplied by minus 13 into 1, minus 13 into 1 minus 17 into 1, minus 17 into 1 plus 1 into minus 13 into 4, minus 13 into 4 minus 17 into 2, minus 17 into 2. Now we simplify this one. 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 4 is 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 25 is 50. Minus 13 into 1, minus 13, minus of minus is plus, 17 into 1 is 17, that is plus 17. Minus 13 plus 17 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16, that is minus 16, minus 16. 1 into minus 13 into 4, minus 52, minus of minus 17 into 2, minus of minus 17 into 2 is plus 34, minus 52 plus 34 is minus 18, minus 18 multiplied by 1 is minus 18. So we got 50 minus 16 minus 18, hence 50 minus 34 equal to 16. We got this det value is equal to 16. Now we find this det value, det x1, x2, x3, c1, c2, c3, 1, 1, 1. x1 is 3, x2 is 3, x3 1, c1 minus 25, c2 minus 13, c3 minus 17, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we expand this determinant 3 into minus 13 into 1, minus 13 into 1 minus 17 into 1, minus 17 into 1 minus of minus 25 multiplied by 3 into 1, 3 into 1 minus 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3 into minus 17, 3 into minus 17, 3 into minus 17 minus 1 into minus 13, 1 into minus 13, 1 into minus 13. Now we simplify this one. Minus 13 into 1 is minus 13, Minus of minus 17 into 1 is plus 17. Minus 13 plus 17 is 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. We note it down 12. Here 3 into 1 is 3. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus of minus 25 is plus 25. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 25. 2 multiplied by 25 is 50. So plus 50 we note it down. Next 3 into minus 17 minus 51. Minus of 1 into minus 13. Minus of 1 into minus 13 is plus 13. Minus 51 plus 13 is minus 38. Minus 38 is multiplied by 1. So minus 38. Now we got 12 plus 50 minus 38. That is 12 plus 50 is 62. 62 minus 38. 24. Now we got the statement value 24. Now we expand this determinant value. That x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, c1, c2, c3. x1 3, x2 3, x3 1, y1 4, y2 2, y3 4, c1 minus 25, c2 minus 13, c3 minus 17. Now we expand this determinant. 3 into 2 into minus 17. 2 into minus 17 minus of 4 into minus 13. 4 into minus 13. 4 into minus 13. Minus 4 into 3 into minus 17. 3 into minus 17 minus 1 into minus 13. 1 into minus 13 plus minus 25 multiplied by 3 into 4 minus 1 into 2. Now we simplify these terms. 2 into minus 17 is minus 34. Minus of 4 into minus 13. Minus of 4 into minus 13 is plus 52. Minus 34 plus 52 is 18. 18 multiplied by 3 is 54. Three into minus 17 is minus 51. 3 into minus 17 is minus 51. Minus of 1 into minus 13 is plus 13. Minus 51 plus 13 is minus 38. Minus of 4 multiplied by minus 38 is plus 152. Now plus minus 25 multiplied by 3 minus 4 minus 1 into 2. 3 into 4 minus 1 into 2. 3 into 4 is 12. Minus 1 into 2 is 2. So plus minus multiplication. So we get minus 25 here. 12 minus 2 is 10. 25 multiplied by 10 is 250. Negative symbol is there before this term, so minus 250. 54 plus 152 is 206 minus 250. 206 minus 250 is minus 44. Now step 3. Step 3. Step 3 is we write the formula to find the equation of the circle passing through 3 points. Now we have written the formula. We have written the formula. This determinant here we have already found the value of this determinant, and we found the values of C1, C2, C3 also. We calculated all these values. So this determinant value is minus 4. We substituted minus 4. This determinant value is minus 4 multiplied by x square plus y square plus this determinant value is 16. We obtained it 16 multiplied by x plus this determinant value is 24. We have written here this determinant value is 24 multiplied by y plus this determinant value is minus 44. So we have written plus of minus 44 is minus 44 equal to 0. This is the equation of the required circle. Now dividing both sides of the equation by minus 4, we get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. Now we have taken this equation as 1. We have taken this equation as 1. This is the required circle equation. To find the center of this circle, we note down the standard equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now we compare the general equation with this obtained equation. Coefficient of x is 2g, coefficient of x is minus 4. Therefore, g equal to 2g equal to minus 4, g equal to minus 2. Coefficient of y is 2f, coefficient of y is minus 6. Therefore, f equal to minus 3. The formula for center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. Substituting g value and f value, we get the center of the circle as 2 comma 3. So hence the problem is completed.